Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make my favorite Chinese spicy salad. It's a very easy recipe to follow. So these are the ingredients. So let me start off with this ground peanut. So I choose to deep fry it instead of oven bake. So because that's how my grandma used to do. So I kind of like it that way. So yeah. So this is all the basic ingredients for making the Chinese spicy salad. So for the chili oil, I'm using this brand by Breakfast. So I got this from Shopee. Maybe I'll try to zoom this in so you guys can try to order. It's quite nice, you know, it's like very spicy, which is up to my standard lah, right? So you guys go ahead and check it out on Shopee. Yeah. My apology, the loud noise at the back because it's heavy rain right now. So yeah. Okay, let's move on. This is the oyster sauce that I always use, which is the gluten-free. Yeah, you guys can get this on Shopee too. Okay, as for the sesame oil, I'm using the Gihyang Blue label. Yeah, if you do not have the blue color one, you can actually use the red one. Alright, this salad is done. So you guys can actually choose to eat it like this, like straight away, or if you guys love cold salad, you can just pop it right in the refrigerator. So this is how it looks, my Chinese spicy salad. So hope you guys enjoy this video and try it out. Okay. See you next time, and please like, subscribe and share my video to your family and friends. See you on the next video. Bye.